That's how.
Only this thing is how I'm gonna be telling my people how to stay away from curb, not go too close. Like this thing, left.
So whenever the learner is learning their first lesson, we give them a reference point. Like I told you, the reference point for this one, when we are positioning, when we were turning left, positioning a corner on that curb over there. Same way, there is a reference point for your clients. Every car is different. My car is different, but usually you notice some of the instructors, they put some stickers there or some marks over there. I have got one sensor in the middle there.
This sensor.
Yeah, and there is a small line on over there.
Okay.
Can you see that line there? Yeah.
Yes.
In bit, like this line here.
Yes.
And it should
Oh,
be
I
there
can
as
see
well.
that,
Yeah. Now, for parking, obviously where I am sitting right now, my height is different. So you're going to have a different clients with a different heights. So most of the parking is usually in and around that sensor.
Okay.
So where I am sitting right now, that
Line.
so the edge of the curb,
Yes.
edge of the curb is disappearing just about here for me, just
Okay.
before. So if I, for example, when you're teaching somebody, so you could do this so they can practice. So what they can do, because you're going to be helping them, so you could say, look, don't worry about stopping. Let's just keep rolling. So what they do, you get your reference. So once they say, oh, now I can see it's better, tell them to start looking over there and try to maintain the steering. So they keep looking, maintain the steering. And then gradually they will start doing that. Yes, first few times they're going to be staring too much over there, looking too much over there. But with practice, this will become their second nature. And when they're parking, they should be able to park without looking too much over there. That is your parking reference.
Okay.
Yeah. What is the reference for the driving?
For driving?
Because when we're parking, we have to give a small palm length gap from the curb. Remember we discussed like we do giving it now. Can you see it? So that reference for the parking.
Yes.
But when we're driving, how would you going to teach your client that how much safe gap they can maintain? So when they're
How
driving,
they can stay away from the curb, you mean?
yes.
So they can. You did tell me this morning.
I told you just 5 minutes ago as well.
So reference.
Yeah.
So they need to look through that line
That line.
and keep
Yeah.
that.
So for example, if I am driving now, and again you can do this with your client. So if you're driving, you could, when they're sitting here,
Yeah.
you could tell them, okay, so we maintain about a meter from the curb or half a meter depending. So right now I'm maintaining about a meter or half a meter. So right now the edge of the curb
Yeah.
is disappearing where that line is.
Line is.
So if I maintain this, so I'm maintaining about a safe distance from the curb, probably for half a door. So if you open your door now and have a look, full door,
Yep.
as you go, it's nearly about one door now.
One door. Yeah.
So that reference is for driving. So when they're driving, you could ask them to practice. So don't do nothing at all. You're helping them. So what they're doing, they're looking over there, they're practicing. Obviously, you need to make sure that you do your surroundings. And then you keep doing that. Maybe on the bend as well, you keep doing that. And then that's how they will get better. And then gradually what we'll do, they start doing it by themselves. Because driving, you're supposed to be keeping near to the left. If they're driving too much on the right like this, what is the risk now?
They can hit oncoming traffic.
Or oncoming car hit them. That's why when we drive, the left curb is your best friend. Because when you're doing the roundabouts, we have to do a lot of turnings. And we have to keep our car near to the left curb. When we were doing the left turning, we have to keep our car near to the left curb. Also, sometime, if you're driving into a road where you don't know, it's a new area, you don't know it, we keep our car to the left lane near to the left curb. That's why it's very important. Any other questions now?
No.
Happy with that?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay.